Hi, this is Kimberly Floyd, a certified wellness coach, author, and creator of Take Back Your Temple, the system that gives you 5 small steps to help you reach your perfect weight. I want to answer a question that one of my readers asked me at the TakeBackYourTemple.com website, which is, what can you do to encourage your family to eat healthier? And this is a good question, and I realize it's a challenge, particularly in our fast food culture. One of the things that you can do is to evaluate the unhealthy foods that you're bringing into your home, like say your sodas or your chips and cookies, because in general, the more unhealthy stuff that you bring into your house in the first place, the more your family is going to go for that. And what you want to do is get into the mindset that you're going to start weaning your family off of that stuff. So one example of a way that you can do this is if you're accustomed to bringing in chips and cookies into your home, then you can just ask yourself, what is the preference? You're going to bring in cookies or you're going to bring in chips, and ask your family that. But we're not going to have both of these, so you pick which one you'd rather have. And once you bring them in, you want to bring in the smallest serving that you possibly can. And when it's gone, it's just gone. You gradually want to stop bringing those things into your home, but at first you'll probably end up having to take the weaning approach and just cut down on the amounts that you bring in until you can feel comfortable and your family can feel comfortable with you not buying that stuff anymore. The other thing that you can do is to get a fruit bowl that you put out on your dining room table or on your counter and just fill it with some high fiber fruits like some apples, some oranges, and some pears, because if you keep it out and keep it available, make it convenient, then your family will likely go for those things when they get hungry, because it's very easy to just grab a piece of fruit or something if it's right there for them. So make it easy for them to eat healthier. The other thing that you can do is put in a vegetable plate with some slices of tomatoes, some baby carrots, some celery, things like that, with a little bit of low-fat dressing in your refrigerator. And those are also some things that make it easy for people to just grab when they're hungry. Also, and get in some extra vegetable servings in there. The other thing that you can do is to take a look at some of the meals that your family consistently eats. Statistics show that most people eat between 10 or 12 of the same meals over and over again. So take a look at some of the items that your family likes and consider whether there are some ways that you can make those items healthier. Since you have access to the internet, then what you can do is just look up some of your recipes and look for lower fat versions, for example, and see if there are some substitutions that you can make in your favorite recipes so that they still get a chance to have their favorite meals, but you're preparing them in a healthier way. So those are going to be some options. You're going to keep your fruit bowl out. You're going to prepare your favorite meals healthier. Another tip is to sneak vegetables into the foods that you cook. And this is very easy in things like chili, because you can always add an extra can of tomatoes. You can add in some extra onions, some peppers. Also with spaghetti, you can sneak some fruits and sneak some vegetables in that as well. Always also buy the chunkier varieties of salsa or spaghetti sauce, and that is a way that you can sneak extra vegetable servings in your family too without them noticing it. So if you have some more ideas or would like some more ideas about how to lose weight from a Christian perspective, then please visit www.takebackyyourtemple.com. Thank you.